He's dead. We are trying to get some bass today, and we're gonna do a old fishing rod challenge. We're gonna be using old bait casters here, and show him yours, dude. He's got a real Antweek. Sweet. Mine, yeah, I need to buy another one. But we're gonna hit this pond up. It looks really good. This is one of the best ponds we have around here, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm pretty sure Sam's gonna outfish me because he fishes this pond more than I do. Because I actually work for a living. But we'll see. Now, do we want to take the boat or do we want to fish off the shore?
It doesn't matter now. Nobody's here.
Good point. They usually have horse camps here, so when they have horse camps, we have to take the boat. They don't want us on the shore, but we'll see what happens.
It looks so good. Fish. Dude, I'm a little rod.
Oh, it's a dink. Will the rod handle a boat flip? Nice. You little booger, come here. There we go. That's sweet, dude. He's a little fella, but man, he smells, dude. This is spawning right now. Yep, they're spawning. Hey, let me rub it in or anything? What? But I got one fish. I'm leading the challenge, bro. Yeah, so I have a gut feeling that, see, he's following my advice. Anyways, I have a gut feeling that the spring will be better, so that's where we're gonna go right now. I'm already one fish ahead, but I don't know how long that's gonna last because I haven't fished here in like 2 weeks, so. Whoa, right off the bat. Fish. Oh, it's a little guy again. Probably should set the drag on this thing. What did you say? Oh, he's bigger than the last one. That's good. I think anyway. There you go. That's a good fish right there. Sam, I got 2. And he strikes, folks. Oh yes, it's not as big as mine. A little bitty thing. Teeny old thing. But hey, you caught it on the old rod. That's cool. You stinking job his eye out. You're so cruel, bro. Look at this poor guy. I'm so calling animal cruelty right now, bro. I'm in so much trouble. Put him back in the water. He'll be fine.
I'm gonna try to catch
Gotta just jab his eye out and put a piece of duct tape over it. You got it. Right on. Sam has a situation to deal with. But nice. Fish. Good one. Grab the camera. Dude, he is a good one. Grab the camera. Woo, yeah, boy. He's like a pound and a half, maybe 2. He's a decent one. No, maybe half pound. Look at that. He looks cool though. If you can get footage from the, there you go. On the little rod, I love it. You get the little skin pounding. Come here, you little bugger. Oh yeah, there you go, there you go. That one there is on the California hippie lettuce. Fine, huh? There we go. So far, I'm feeling pretty confident. But we're fishing with Sam, and he might come back, so I'm not gonna say I totally won yet. We still got like an hour left. And he's got one. Oh, nice! That's the biggest one today, dude. Not gonna lie. That's a good one. On the old rod. If you just threw in the ground, it's probably worth $10 or something. It's murky. Wow, just throw him right in the mud. You're a great person, bro. Hey, poor fish. Alright, so now we're 2 to. So yeah, he's catching up. So I need to rig up. And oh, that hurt. But yeah, so he just caught one. He's at 2, I'm at 4. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, and I'm gonna run a weightless fluke. I mean, I guess it's not really a fluke. It says it's a fluke on the package. In my opinion, it did not look like a fluke. So this was smashing him the other night. So we're gonna move to the other side of the pond. Samuel already got his lure stuck on brush pile. What? Uh-huh. So yeah, I'm moving to the other side of the pond right now, and we'll see if, pretty sure I know where a couple of fish are right now. I don't know if they're on beds or what, but last time I was here, I smacked like 3 or 4 little guys off this. And right now we're not fishing for size, we're fishing for number. So, we'll see. But, I'm pretty sure I know where they're at. What? That was freaking crazy. I've never had one do that before. It's freaking slammed that over. Nice deal, fella. That right there, in my opinion, is a perfect hook set. Not a perfect fish, but a perfect hook set. That's a little ding, but it was cool. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna show you this. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it or not, but that right there is a bunch of beds. I don't know how well it's going to be picked up on camera. Yeah, we got fish swimming all over here right now. Bluegies, a couple bass. They're shying off the lure though, so I'm going to keep moving. Hit it. Fish! No! Spit it out or not. He probably doesn't know it. No, I got him. Stinker. Little guy. That's funny. Well, at 6. Gemma said 10, I said 5, and I've caught 6 alone. That's not even an hour yet. Oh my word, there's a big one right there. That's a big one. I don't know how big he is. He's like a pound, 2 pounds. Oh, he's not very big. But he looks super big under the water. See if I can catch him right here. Come on, take it. Got him. No. That's awesome. That's a good fish right there. Hey Sam, I got one. I'm on number 7 right now. Go use your other rod, I don't care. This is a good one. Alright, you pumping maybe? Nah, this is one. Right. There's a bunch of beds and a bunch of fish right here. So, hopefully we catch a couple. Got a dink coming, see if we can hook the dink. Okay, maybe. Took it right out of his mouth. Didn't even know what happened. Oh my word, there's a big fish right here. Okay, no, it's not. It's about a half ton. And I got him. Oh, I gotta take this guy. Hey Sam. You never guess what? Got number 8. I told you could. I said go ahead. I got a pretty good lead on you. That's a decent one. Getting some. We're kind of getting out of the dink cross. Come on, buddy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Fish. That is awesome. Oh, my goodness. That is so super cool. Hey, Sam. Oh, he's in the weeds. Guess what? Nice little guy. Come here. That is just on this old stinking rod, dude. This is like epic. My lizard just touched. So it's back here, you little. I'm gonna call you Rowdy. Your nickname. Nice little fish right there. Looks so cool when he came right up to the bank. It's like he didn't even see me. Hammered that stinking lizard. So we're back at the house. My phone went dead. Middle of videoing, so we wound up catching 25. I'm pretty sure we caught 25. I caught 16 and he caught 9. I think that's the correct math. But anyways, yeah, we smashed them. We also at the end there we had a turtle take off, and so Sam rode and I stuck over the end of the boat. We caught him. Sam would have caught the other one, but when he picked him up out of the water, turtle hit the edge of the boat and knocked him off. But that was kind of cool. So anyways, we had a successful day, I would say. So well, that was the old rod challenge. We both had some pretty old rods that were fairly short. So it was neat running old bait casters. Never done that before, but we'll see what happens. Give us more ideas for videos. We have a few ourselves, but we'll see what happens from here out. Give us ideas and also like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys later on the next video.